How to check copyright before uploading on YouTube in Capcut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to check copyright after your video in Capcut. So now here is now my video. I finished editing the video. Before you check copyright for any video on Capcut, the video must be above than 1 minute. So my video is above than 1 minute. After I finish editing, just tap on this zoom to fit timeline. Now you can be able to see all your timeline and click on this export. So here if you scroll down, so turn on the option copyright check. So here it will go through my video and analyze the video. After I finish analyzing the video, it will give me a message if there is copyright inside the video or not. If there is copyright inside the video, it will give you a message that there is copyright. If there is no copyright, it will give you a message that there is no copyright inside your video, and from there you can go ahead and export your video. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.